Okay, here we go. 1-1. Okay, nice. So I just got from my trip to Bratislava. I was celebrating the birthday of my friend. Alright, so right now I'm gonna speedrun as much as I can in a half an hour. Right, so now it's almost done. My plate is almost done. Everything I have to do is to add feed holes and controller cutout. Right? Rubber feed holes are gonna be much easier. So I guess that's something I'll start with. Sketch. Oh, it's the wrong side. Sketch. But however, there is a problem. I don't know where to place them because, like, they're gonna be a controller cutout and I can't place feed holes here, as it will make like through hole, like through entire backplate, which is not good. So I guess controller cutout is the first thing I'm gonna do. Oh, bottom left. Okay. Now I want to open the previous case so I can have the dimensions. Bottom right? I need bottom left. Yep, here we go. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we have battery cutout, then we have GC connector cutout and controller cutout. Let's start with battery cutout. Basically, it's a square with two rounded corners at the bottom. Okay, nice. Next, let's get the dimensions. Okay, so it has to be parametric. Wait a minute. Yeah, it has to be parametric, so after changing it to the smaller size like M or S, it should shrink. And it should shrink downwards, right? So I probably should use this point as a reference and just add height. And that sounds reasonable. Okay, it's gonna be 78 and 12.25. Where am I? Oh, okay. Why do I have two sketches? That's weird. So KL for log, 78, 12, 0.25. Nice. If I'm not mistaken, I have the set radius to 0.5 millimeters. KD 0.5. Nice. Let's get back to the previous one. The second dot is 99.5 and 64.75. So we lock it. 64.75 and 99.5. After that we delete these constraints and add distance here, 52. Oh, okay. And here. Nice, next. To make it parametric, I'll do var key. No, it's gonna be var size, keyboard size. If it equals 2, then we have a big keyboard, and it's gonna be var key multiplied by. Oh, it's not key, right? It's gonna be 52. This is static, right? And else, it's gonna be 52 minus 19, which is mass 30, 31, 33, right? Like it's minus 20 plus 1. It seems reasonable. However, I want to check it with the pocket at the top plate, because I feel like I can have different tolerance there. Yeah, there is like 52.5. Okay, so it's gonna be 78, 12, 25 minus 12, 25. Interesting. Wait a minute. Why is it? Oh, because it's on the other side of the. It's opposite face, right? 78 minus 12, 25. 78. Oh, it's the same, yep. But here it's gonna be 52.5. Yep. What about the width? 21.5, interesting. Okay. Does make sense. Actually, I want to check expression. Why is it only 33? Shouldn't it be 33.5? Okay. Was it here? Wait a minute. Yep, nice. So it's fully constrained right now. Yep. Okay, nice. Close it. How deep should cutout be? Where is it still? Here we go. 0.8. Interesting. So if I enable top left, I'm curious about the distance here. How can I like select this edge? Like that? And enable bottom? Oh, it selects it bottom for some reason. What's wrong with you? Oh, I can, yep. 4.5, alright, and it's gonna be plus 0.8, which is 5.3, and it's good enough for a battery. Because I don't want it to be loose, I want it to sit well, right, and 0.3 millimeters is just good enough. However, now I feel like I could make this cutout smaller, like on the top plate. We'll see, it's actually gonna be easy to change, so I shouldn't worry about that. Oh, let's make a pocket. Why can I? Wait a minute. What's wrong? Okay, nice. Bottom left, sketch, pocket, 0.8. Nice. Then next. Yeah, it's GC cutout. Then Why is these corners aren't rounded? Okay, I'll fix that. I want the sketch. Okay, here we go. Huh? Wait a minute. It's the wrong one. Yep, here we go. Okay, so I'm doing it that way, right? I mean, it's not a bad way to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna do controller cutout first. Let's check it out. Okay, so it's a square with a center. Okay, 8875, 15.6, interesting. Okay. Do I have rounded corners? What is that? Okay, interesting. 8875. $88.75. What it was here? 16.4. 22. At external geometry. $15.6, not 4. Okay, 15.6. Nice. Hello, Sakura, hello. Liar pants on fire, it's no chess. Yeah, it's ain't chess. I just got no mood for chess, actually. I mean, I just thought about it. Like, 30 minutes is good enough time to get a lot of work done if I'm really focused right now, right? So that's what I'm doing right now. Oh, okay, now I have to make pocket. How deep is it? 1.6, okay. $1.6. Yeah, so I would distract you. No, you would not. Like, I'll be able to chat with you and do my job. And you would make no work. You are wrong, like, really. I already did a lot of work. Okay, next. Okay, actually, I can make this pocket later. And I won't proceed with the GST pocket. Oh, 78, 99. Oh, it's actually aligned here, right? Yeah. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And 0.5 radius. Okay. Let's do it. Sketch. Square. Rectangle, to be precise. External geometry here. And here. No, actually, I need one more dot here. Connect. Nice. Then I want to round these corners. Make them equal. And set the radius to 0.5. 0.5. Hey Sakura, have you already started to distract me? Because it seems like you are losing this game. Okay, now I want to fillet these corners, right? With 0.5. Yep, good. Looks good. Then I won't fillet. Actually, I make them in the same change, in the same, how's it called, modifier. Is it any good? I think it is. Like rounded corners are generally more stronger. Just stronger. Shut up, I'm busy. Maybe you meant I am busy. What are you doing? It's like Saturday. You can chill out. No, just like this. Okay. Okay. Let's add another cutout. To hole to be precise. So I add sketch right here. Then I add a lot of external geometry here. Something like that. I think it's good enough. Then I add rounded rectangle. Next. Oops. It's ain't pretty. Now connect these two dots and these two. Oh, I can do vertical, right? Then also I don't need this dot. Actually, I would first delete this one. Make them horizontal. Nice. Now it's the only line which is parametric. I pretend that I do something useful. Full business law. Like, how exactly do you do that? I don't see you working. Okay. Oh, it's a wrong sketch. I need the next one. Yep. How long it is? 12 millimeters. Okay. Okay, 12 millimeters. Actually, I don't think or do I? Is it okay for it to be like that long? I mean, I can change it at any point. Looking at the screen, typing, opening random tabs, you know. Practicing for actual office job, okay. But you're a mechanical engineer, aren't you gonna have like different kind of job? What is this sketch? Oh, it's a round body. It was 12 millimeters, right? Oh, I have to toggle transparency because I just can't select this point inside geometry. Yep, here we go. 1, 2. Wait a minute. 1, 2. Horizontal distance 12 millimeters. Nice. And then pocket. Up to face. Nice. Looks pretty good. I hope it's gonna work this as well. As good. Okay, it's already a lot of work as for 50 minutes, right? I managed to get a lot of things done. Now, what can I do next? Where do I have this sketch? Yep, here we go. Okay, this one is just ridiculously difficult. Like, the point is that this part, it should not be mirrored, so it should be the same way on both sides, which complicates it a lot. I just have no idea how to do it properly in FreeCAD, and I use some tricks. So I guess I'll just make hole in here and skip it for now. Sketch. 7 millimeters, okay. Okay. Rectangle. 2 points here and here. Vertical. KD 7. Nice. Can you make it two different parts that fuse? Then you just mirror one part and glue another one the same. Yes, that's like you can do it that way, but the problem is you will have to change workbench to part. There is like part where you can do Boolean operations, so you can like fuse, subtract, union, cut, intersection, so on. But the point is, it's like you probably should not mix them. You can, but you should avoid it because the time you mix workbenches, FreeCAD just can freak out and it will break every time, like 100% of the time. There is like another trick I managed to do. Like I'm doing a copy, then I modify this copy. Like I basically do a copy with this part, then I just cut this part out and modify it to be the same. So I do the same work twice. But at least I don't, like, I use the same bench, it works. Which I think is good enough for now. Up to face, this one. Okay. Nice, looks good. Also, I'm not sure how can I model it because like you have to create different bodies, and if I'll create another body for this part, I can't like connect it to the same points, because if I'll connect, FreeCAD will yield an error, and I have no idea how to model it right in here. It's kind of complicated. Okay, now I have time to make backfits, holes for backfits. Sketch. So in the previous design, it was interesting. In the previous design, there are how can I call them? Oval holes. Those are not ovals, but you see the point, right? And so on the left side, I can place it here. On the right side, I can place it here, and then they interconnect. The point is that it can move around inside of it. Like this fits. If you like apply some force, like right here, it is shifted. And it makes it unreliable, so glue becomes less sticky and can unstick and so on. So what I plan to do is to preserve this intersection mechanic, but make them just two separate holes so it can shift. Seems to me that FreeCAD is a problem. Those are beans. What do you mean beans? I mean, okay, FreeCAD is quite often uncomfortable, right? But what are the options? Like, the only option I got is cut query, which I'll have to learn. Like, I will definitely learn because I'm interested in it. It sounds interesting. Like, I have 3D printer, 100% I'm gonna print a lot of stuff, and finding a way to model them efficiently is something I'm interested in, right? But for now, we stick to FreeCAD. What you plan to do is change scene. I always forget about it. Okay, I got sketch here. Then I do circles. What's the diameter of these circles? Okay, wait a minute. Yep, here we go, sketch. 6.2, okay. So it's 6 plus clearance. Sketch. equal KD. Oh, I can do it the way. 6.2. Then I'll make them horizontal. Actually, I want construction geometry, make line here. Then make this line horizontal. Then set distance to what? What's gonna be the distance? I don't know, 8? 6 is too close. 7. I feel like 8 is the most aesthetically pleasant. What, Sakura, can you explain what does beans mean? Those are beans. Like, do you mean literally beans? What the hell does it mean? Okay, here. Actually, I would want to start from different corner. I would like to do it here. Probably. Actually, I'm kind of curious how I'm gonna do that. I'm not sure. KL is gonna be var key minus. Okay, it's way too big. Divided by 4 by 2. Way too small. Divided by 4 multiplied by 3. Good enough, I guess. Then here, pretty much the same thing. Var key multiplied by 2 is not gonna work, right? Wait a minute, minus? Yeah, it's not gonna work, so it's gonna be var key divided by 4 multiplied by 7. Yep, here we go, it does work. However, I would change it to be parametric, so we are taking size, keyboard size. If it equals to 2, no, if it equals to 0, if it's a small one, what we are doing right here is making it multiplied by 3. Else, it's gonna be multiplied by 7. And it should work. You said that little sockets are oval but not oval, but they have bean shape. That bean, is it like a term or you just said it? Bean shape. You're lying. There is no such... Oh, is it? I can find it, like I have only one picture, I don't believe it's... It's a well-rounded rectangle, let's stop on that. Okay, this one is constrained. Let's copy it. Oh, wait a minute, what's wrong? Can I copy it? Okay, let's just recreate it, I don't know. Circle here, constraint geometry here. 8. Actually, I can just make them equal to that. Equal. 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 Horizontal. Nice, it does work. Now let's constrain it. Lock. Then we're doing the same thing here. It's gonna be var key multiplied, by 4 minus. It's close, but it should be divided by 4, then multiplied by 16 plus 3, 19. Oops, not 19. I know, 17. Yep, good. I'm disappointed in you. What do you mean? Can you explain it to me? What have I failed? Okay, this one. It's basically the same as here. Also, the first one should be parametric. The height, which is currently not. Oops. Oh, I was considering the wrong thing. Okay, L. Paste. 217, I remember. So it's var keyboard size equals. What does it equal? 2. Then, if it's 2, it's var key divided by 4 multiplied by 17. Else, it's gonna be divided by 4 multiplied by 17 minus 4, which is 13. Ah, and minus, right. Minus everywhere. Yep, here we go. Nice, it does work. Minus here, yep. Bin. Okay, now I'm curious. Oh, it's Danny. I had no idea you know Danny. Like, he was not releasing videos like for 3 years or what? Danny. Three years, insane. Okay, I mean, this has been because it's volumetric shape, you know? What I'm talking about, it's not volumetric shape, so keep this in mind. Keep this in mind, it's not volumetric. It's simple two-dimensional shape. I can't copy this too, so I have to recreate one more time. Horizontal equal nice. You're so boring. Just accept your loss. And it's 2D slice of bean. I mean that looks more. I mean, it's you're like kinda wrong. Like, this is a 2D slice of bean, but that's not the shape I was talking about, right? It's basically a 2D slice of bean, so if I'll watch that way, it's gonna be a bean here. Go ahead, tell me I'm wrong. I want to copy it right now, because later I'll not be able to do that. What's that music? Lock? Var key multiplied by, I don't know, 4. Okay. Oh, my bad. Equal. Multiplied by 4, it's too much. It should be divided by 4 and multiplied by 15. Yep, here we go. Don't be racist. I'm not racist. It's just normal bean, just a little unique in its own way. How am I racist? Can you explain it to me? Okay. Another constraint, and it's gonna be. Is it gonna be the same way? I mean, I can copy it anyway. It's gonna be useful. And here is what? I don't know, 19. And 15 here. 15. Not minus, but plus. Oh no, it's still minus. Yeah, good. Does work. Why is it? Oh. Seriously? Equal. Why is it? Oh, yeah. It's constrained. Now I want to remove this horizontal constraint so I can rotate it. There's just against a D-shaped bin. So it's 2 dimensions. That's so ridiculous. So 2 dimension is not enough for you? I didn't say that. Like, I didn't say that. Like, you're saying something I was not claiming. This what too much Millennium in skin is bad? I would watch what you're saying considering on what platform you are. I said nothing wrong. You are just gaslighting me, like, obviously. Okay. Next. Lock this one. However, I would not be able to lock it the same way as I do it here. Like, really. Because it is not in the grid. I want angle to be 30. And I got an idea how to make it symmetrical. So here, we are adding external geometry here and here. And then what we are doing next, we are making, how's it called? Construction geometry. Wait a minute. Okay, next we are making 2 lines here. Actually, I guess 1 line would be sufficient. KD, it's 7.07. Nice, and they are the same. And then we're just doing the same thing here. So, basically, add external geometry here and here. 2 lines. Make them equal. Set 1 to be 707. Nice, I'm such a genius. Close? How deep should it be? 1? Actually, I think it could be deeper. I want it to be 1.5. To be honest. I'm not sure how high these legs are. Does position offset holes would affect how it is printed, considering nozzle of printer has limited radius? What do you mean? Does position offset holes would affect? I mean, it would affect, but it's not that bad. Like, it's, I guess, like, it would affect, but probably not in the way you think it will. Like, give me a minute. So, if we're making these pockets, right, it's gonna be printed on the side. So, here is how it's gonna be laying on the print, right? So this is the bottom. And these holes, they're like basically in the air, so printer will have to print it in the air. However, they are not through holes, so they're just the pockets. And printer will be able to make a bridge right here. So it will just quickly make move through the whole pocket, and it's gonna like drip, plastic is gonna drip just few millimeters, and it's just good enough. Like, I already have done it. I can show you, or can I? Give me a minute. Yep. Okay. Is it visible? It's not gonna be visible, right? Is it gonna be visible here? Yeah, you can see it. You see these lines? It's because this is called bridge, right? Because basically there are like 2 pillars, and printer prints between these 2 pillars, and it's okay. Like, as you can see. Like, you can clearly see the lines, but they're on the same height. And they're like not sticking out, so it's more than good enough. Now, actually these doors looks kinda weird. Aren't they? They actually look weird, damn. I don't like it. Oh, I got an idea. I got such a cool idea. I think it's gonna look much better. Like, if I'll do something, you know, like... How can I do that? I want to create arc. Line here, here, and here. Make this vertical. Oops, my bad. Horizontal. This 3 vertical. Nice. Then what the... It's 6.2, right? So it's gonna be KD 6.2 here. And half 3.1 here. And I can place it here and make the same scene on the other side. Actually, I have to read the messages. Bless you, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Use 3D compass. Actually, so like if hole is from edge on 0.3 millimeter and nozzle is 0.8, nozzles are like default nozzle size is 0.4 millimeters, which is like precise for most scenes, good enough for most scenes. I can print usually without overlap. Yeah, it can't, but it's not 0.3 millimeters here. It's more like it's 7 millimeters from the diagonal. How it's like? Give me a minute. Should I do that? Actually, you know, I can leave it for now as it is. Maybe I'll change it tomorrow. So, if I take measurement tool, it's like whole 2.5 millimeters, which is more than good enough. I get, but when 7 is not dividable by 4, yeah, but there is another cool thing, like Orca slicer. Give me a minute. Like, let me export this one. Bottom left, export. Downloads. Save. Okay. New project. Import. Is it bottom left? Yep. Now. So I'm going to the very bottom level, the very bottom layer, and as you can see, yellow lines are those which it can print, right? So it just basically makes an outline and it fills everything. And white lines are gap and fills. So when it prints everything, it finds this gap and it manually fills them, which is mostly good enough. However, there is another option, is to use more advanced volt generator, which is called Arachne, which allows you to make different flow. You see now there is like only a little amount of gap and fill. So what Arachne does is basically, will it be visible somewhere here? Probably not. Oh, you can see it here. So outer two lines are thinner than inside two lines. It's because, like, although nozzle size is 0.4, you can like push more plastic during the print and it's gonna spread evenly. Because of that, you can print with like 0.5 millimeter layer, 0.5 millimeter, not height but width, right? And so if I'll change back to classic, not Arachne, you can see it tries to do everything in 0.4, and then it adds gap and fill inside. And Arachne is gonna work pretty well with geometry I made. Also, I believe I can tweak it if I'll make it like here. If I'll make wall loops not 3 but 2, it's even better. There's no gap and fills. Like, these are too small. They won't change anything. Alright, I mean, I feel like I could shift them more. Yeah, but I will do it tomorrow. Thank you for coming, Sakura. I appreciate it. Okay, so now save it, right? Save it, close it. What do you mean don't save? Oh, it's another enclosure. Yeah, don't save it. Yes, that's it. So